Okay, so let's start our session with this question, that how many isomers are possible for molecular formula C5H11Cl. This is the formula C5H11Cl. So how do we calculate the isomers, or how many structural isomers for C5H11Cl are possible? Structural isomers. Okay, first of all, what we do, C5H11Cl, it is monochloro-derivative of pentane, because if we remove chlorine and add hydrogen, then it is C5H12. So C5H11Cl is monochloro-derivative of pentane. Now, first of all, write the isomers of pentane. Isomers of pentane. So first is we write the 5 carbons in the straight chain. तो 5 कार्बन हमने स्ट्रेट चेन में लिख दिए. ओके, नो नीड टू राइट नंबर. ओके, then 4 carbons in the straight chain and 1 carbon here, and third is 3 carbon in the straight chain, 1 above and 1 below. So these are the 3 isomers of pentane. First one is called, it is normal pentane. Second one is isopentane, and third one is neopentane. Just add hydrogens to satisfy the tetravalency of each carbon. First one, normal pentane. Normal pentane, it is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So number of monochloro derivatives is equal to number of different types of carbons. So see, first is primary carbon, second one is secondary carbon, third one is also secondary carbon, fourth one secondary carbon, and last one, fifth one is also primary carbon. So these two primary carbons are of same type. Reason being, primary carbon attached to secondary carbon, here primary carbon also attached to secondary carbon, so both are same, and accordingly hydrogens are named. Primary hydrogens attached to primary carbon is called primary hydrogen. Hydrogen attached to secondary carbon are called secondary hydrogens. Now second one, secondary, this one and this one. See, secondary carbon, here it is primary secondary, this one is also primary secondary. So these are of same type, but middle one, this one is different. Why is it so? Because this secondary carbon is attached to secondary carbons on both sides. So there are 3 types of carbons and corresponding hydrogens. So if we remove primary hydrogen, then remove primary hydrogen and add chlorine. So this is the first one. So what is its name? Obviously it is 1-chloropentane. Now second one, secondary hydrogen of the first type, then add chlorine. So to remove secondary hydrogen and add chlorine at that place, we get 2-chloropentane. So 1 chloropentane, 2 chloropentane, and then secondary hydrogen of the second type. So it becomes CH3, CH2, CH, and add chlorine. So this is 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 from either side. 3 chloropentane. So normal pentane will give 3 monochloro derivatives because it has three types of hydrogens. So on monochlorination means addition of one chlorine. On monochlorination we get 3 monochloro derivatives of pentane, right? So normal pentane will give 3 monochloro derivatives. Now isopentane. So in isopentane is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So tell me, first one is primary, second one secondary, third one tertiary, and this is also primary. So tell me how many types of hydrogens are present. It has 4 types of hydrogens. So we get 4 monochloro derivative from this isopentane. So there is there are 2 primary hydrogens. See, this primary is attached to secondary, but these 2 primary, they are attached to tertiary. So they are of same type because both primary are attached to tertiary, but this primary is attached to secondary. So there are 2 types of primary and 1 type of tertiary and 1 type of secondary. So total 4 types of hydrogens are there. So primary hydrogen, remove first primary hydrogen and add chlorine. So we get CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, Cl. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Tell me. Say longest possible chain. So 1, 2 and 3. Longest possible chain is of 3 carbons and there is 1 chloro and 2 methyl as a substituent. And you know alphabetically chloro comes first. So it is 1 chloro, 2 methyl propane. Got it? Say, because you know, first of all, give the numbering to maximum number of carbon atoms. Don't stop at anywhere. Those carbons which get the numbering is the main chain, and the carbon which is not getting the number, that is the side chain, that is the substituent. So there is 1 carbon which is not getting numbering, that is attached to carbon atom 2, and that is CH3, so it is methyl. Okay, so it is called isopentyl chloride. This is isopentyl chloride, or it is also called isoamyl chloride. Isoamyl chloride. Then second one, if we remove secondary hydrogen and add chlorine, it becomes CH3, CH, CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. Yes, beta. Tell me, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? This is very simple. See, on one side it is chloro, other side there is methyl. So which one will get lowest number? Alphabetically, chloro comes first. Substituents will get 2, 3. So lowest locant rule is failed. So whenever lowest locant rule is failed, we apply alphabetical order to decide the numbering which side is preferred. So out of chloro and methyl, chloro comes first alphabetically. That's why chloro gets 2 and methyl gets 3. So what is its IUPAC name? It is 2-chloro, 3-methyl, 2-chloro, 3-methyl butane. 2-chloro, 3-methyl butane. Now, to remove tertiary hydrogen and add chlorine, it is CH3, Cl, CH3, CH2, CH3. So what is its IUPAC name? Tell me. And this is called tertiary pentyl chloride or tertiary amyl chloride. So this one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 1-chloro, 2-methyl, 1-chloro, 2-methyl butane. I will write here 1-chloro, 2-methyl butane. So these are the 4 monochloro derivatives. Now neopentane. This is neopentane. Now in neopentane, it is primary, 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 and this one is quaternary. So tell me, how many types of monochloro derivatives are formed? That's wrong statement. That's why I didn't ask how many types of hydrogens are present. Actually, number of alkyl groups formed, number of monochloro derivatives is equal to number of different type of hydrogens present, not carbon. There are 2 types of carbons, but quaternary carbon has no hydrogen. There is only 1 type of hydrogen. See what I write here. It has 4 types of hydrogens. In normal pentane, it has 3 types of hydrogens. So in this case, what I write? Neopentane has
one type of.
Yes, it has 1 type of hydrogen. That's why it has only 1 monochloro derivative. So that means it is CH3, 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 CH2, Cl. So tell me, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? We apply lowest locant rule. So chloro gets number 1 and then methyl gets number 2. But there are 2 methyls and both are at position 2. So it is 1-chloro, 2,2 dimethyl propane, 1 chloro 2,2 dimethyl propane, and it is called neopentyl chloride. It is neopentyl chloride, or we can also call it as neoamyl chloride. Neoamyl chloride. So in totality, how many isomers are there? Total 8. Because in normal pentane, monochloro derivatives are 3. In isopentane, monochloro derivatives are 4. In neopentane, monochloro derivatives is 1. So total monochloro derivatives of pentane are 8, means C5H11Cl. So total number of structural isomers possible are 8.